See this guys, by just doing typing job, I can get a good amount of income and can generate good amount of income passively from this website. You can see this, either you can become a content editor or you can become a technical or storytelling writer. Okay, you can able to earn a good amount of money from this website. Just watch this video till the end. Hello guys, what's up? And in this video I'm going to show you how you can earn money online by just following some simple steps on this website. Guys, if you want to do the typing job remotely, if you want to earn good amount of income remotely, okay, just come up here. In this video I'm going to show you step by step how you yourself can earn a good amount of money by just becoming a content writer. Okay, how people are actually earning remotely thousands and thousands of dollars by just typing new things. Okay, so how to do it, guys? How to do it? Okay, so let me just give one thing, guys, before we dive deep into this video. Lots and lots of people are having doubts in this free ad forum. They are saying that, sir, if you are just posting the ads, okay, previously we have discussed about this video, this earning potential, and for those who are just belong to affiliate marketing as well. So they are asking me a question that, sir, what type of ads they are going to show to us? Okay, what type of ads are actually written for us? Okay, what are the targeted audience and what are the people to whom this ads that we are posting will be get shared? Okay, so guys, you can think in that way that all the ads on the internet are not Google ads. Okay, they are having their own personal ads agency, okay, which they are generated, and someone on the other side is paying them and to display our ads. Okay, so per ad we are not getting paid, but we can just post our ads freely over this website. Okay, and by just clicking, okay, by just clicking, guys, people are actually earning those kind of things. Okay, so this is the best platform where we can generate good affiliate income, like you can see this ClickBank and all. Okay, I hope most of the people are having this doubt that sir, what type of ads we just need to post. Okay, so I hope it's clear. So right now just we come up here in this website, guys. So how to earn money from this platform? So you can see this, guys, this is and guys, the link is in the description box, you can check out. Okay, so you can see this, guys, best companies: Google, Amazon, Airtable, okay, GoDaddy are those renowned websites that are partner with this website, who just pay you for content writing. Okay, so basically what is the agenda, guys? Whether you are a writer, okay, I have previously I have created a video on Blogspot, guys. Okay, if you have not watched my video, I just do recommend to watch it. Okay, in the I section or at the end of this video, I will show you what is those Blogspot website, or we can say that video link. Okay, so that you can just check out first and then you can watch this video. Okay, so that Blogspot video, guys, will help you to get an idea that how you can generate passive income by doing affiliate marketing and doing content marketing and by ads as well. You can see by Google ads you can also earn with that platform. Okay, so it is very important for you to have a Blogspot ID. Otherwise, guys, you cannot post links. Okay, you need to send some samples over this website. So for that, you just need to click on this join us. Okay, so you can see these, guys, there are hundreds and hundreds of roles that you can see. Why join an NMS? Okay, so you can see this, guys, content marketing manager. Okay, so lots and lots of my subscribers and people are not that kind of post. Okay, they are more type of unskilled person. So for them, you can see technical content consultant, or you can see this tech and VC writer. Okay, you can imagine in this way that guys, you can become a content writer and can earn and generate income out of it. Okay, you can see this. We are looking for a passionate people who are love technology, business, data, and storytelling to join our team. Okay, so you can tell your stories. Okay, whatever language you are compatible with, guys. Okay, you can use Google Translate for this. Okay, you can use Google Translate for this, and you can use Grammarly in order to do the corrections part. Okay, you can see this, guys. You can set up the language that you are compatible with. Okay, if you are in Russian, if you are whatever niche, whatever language you are compatible with, guys. Okay, you can translate it in English. Okay, if you are having your own mother tongue, don't worry, guys. Don't get bogged down that my English is not good. Okay, lots and lots of people are asking me a question that, sir, my English is not good. What can I do? Don't worry, guys. You are having this good Google Translate which you can use. Okay, you can even download the application. Okay, this is a desktop application. I will show you. This is a desktop. You can see this Translate. You can use it on either basis. You can see this, guys. You can speak on. You can see it has generated. You can see this, guys, in English and let's suppose Japanese. Okay, so whatever I'm asking. Okay, so guys, whatever I'm just speaking on this Google voice recognition, you can see this. It will automatically generate dynamically whatever it is written in Japanese. Okay, so you can utilize your skill. Okay, these are the happening. Okay, you can utilize it in order to generate your own mother tongue into a specific language, specific content. Okay, so this is fun part, guys. Okay, so you just need to click on this either, guys, there are two types of job as a editor. Okay, they will provide you the content and you need to edit it. Okay, using Grammarly. Okay, you can use Grammarly. You can see this is my extension, Grammarly extension. You can see this. Okay, you can join this extension. It's very helpful, guys. Okay, and either you can give your own content, you can tell your own emotional stories, love stories, whatever stories you are compatible with, you can give. Okay, so I just click on this apply button. Okay, and you can see this, guys. You can remotely work. You can see full time and New York. Okay, located in New York. This company is located in New York. You do not have to physically appear on this website. You can read these terms and conditions, which are very important. Okay, you can see this 80% premium for health, 99% for the visual dental. Okay, you can see this. So guys, you can see the benefits that they provide. Okay, ultimately people are asking me these kind of things. You can see unlimited sick and personal days. Okay, and 20 paid days off per year. Okay, so it's best option that you can choose. So click on this apply position, and you just need to give your full name, your email address, and guys, you need to upload your resume. Very important. I have dedicated a video in order to create a resume, guys. Okay, you can use canva.com or you can use online resume maker, whatever it is. If you don't know how to create a resume, you can upload it over this. Okay, so now the most important question is this, guys. Link 3 long form articles that best demonstrate your writing skills. So guys, use the blogspot.com that I have told you. Okay, in order to generate the income. Okay, in order to show them the your writing and thinking ability. Okay, you can just post one link. Okay, one blog post link, second, okay, and third. Okay, you just need to give the links of the 3 links that you have generated on this blogspot. Okay, and what are you interested in this role? Okay, why are you interested in this role, guys? Okay, so you can it's a personal question, guys, what interest in this role, because I love writing. Okay, I love new creative content that people are asking me. Okay, helping people to you can say that help to guide people help to infuse confidence within an individual in order to do something. If you are a motivational speaker, okay, so you can write your own content. You can see what experience do you have working with or writing about venture capitals. Okay, so you can give experience that whatever startups that you have worked upon or the previous company that you have worked upon. If you are a freelancer or a student, don't worry guys, you can type that I'm a student, okay, and I love the way to write, okay, in order to put my opinion that even students can earn, okay. So you can think in that way as well. Okay, so share your favorite blogspot, guys. It's your favorite opinion. You can post your own favorite blog. Okay, currently on your reading list. Okay, you can see this comedy theme. Okay, on your reading list, motivationals. You can give that reading list. Salary expectation, guys. Okay, so average salary expectation is, guys, for content writing is $12,000. Okay, per year. Okay, $1,000 per month. Because guys, because it's a basically minimum pay rate it is. Okay, so you can set up your own pay rate. Okay, if you are getting more than $12,000, you can apply for this. Okay, but if you are not getting that much, you just need to type a minimum pay rate. Okay, it's very important, guys, because they are asking you to show your previous salary, okay, slip. So I hope you get where you heard about it online. Okay, you can type online, and I don't wish to answer this mail and whatever your gender is. Okay, and just click on this privacy notice and just you need to click on this submit button. And guys, it's absolutely genuine writing content. Okay, and within 2 to 3 days your application is being reviewed and they will contact you through your mail ID. Okay, I hope there is a small interview that they are verifying you. Okay, actually they are verifying you. They are having an HR round. Okay, and that's it, guys. Okay, a telephonic, and that's too telephonic. So attend it, and guys, this is the best platform where you can just type and earn. Okay, so it's the best platform where you can showcase your skills, writing skills, and can generate a good amount of income. Okay, I hope you like this video, guys. Just need to click on this share and subscribe button. Okay guys, if you are having any doubt, just comment down below. Okay, I am there for you to earn money. Okay, till then, happy earning.